I'm going to show you how to attach the handle. That's the next step. And I like to take my Sharpie and just eyeball the center and make a line. And that way I have a visual of where I want to put my handle right in the middle. And what you don't want to do is get these corners above, because then you're going to have a sharp edge. So you want to get it just slightly below and get it centered. And again, taking our needle nose vice grips and clamping one side. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hole punch the other side. And that way it'll hold it in place. So, and again, just check. You should be able to run your finger across, make sure there's no edges sticking up. So go ahead and pause your video and clamp your piece in place. Next, making sure that this is not moved, and it'll punch right through both pieces of metal. So I'm just going to estimate. I'm going to try to get it to hit right in here somewhere. And so I'm going to punch right. You can draw a line if you need to. Make sure you're somewhere close and set it through the hole punch. And look off to the side. Look over here. I'm looking on this edge to make sure that I'm going to hit both pieces. And then punch through both pieces. And you can see I hit right through there. And then next step, so pause your video and punch your first hole. Next, I'm not going to remove my vice grip at all until I give a rivet in there. So my hole lines up, slip my rivet in there, and get my first pop rivet in place. So pause your video and get that piece set in. The next step is to punch a hole and put a pop rivet there. And you can move it. And again, you want to check so it's flush just right below. And once it's good, you can line it up and look in from the side and make sure you're in the right spot. Punch through both pieces. Get your pop rivet in and pop rivet the other side. Then you will repeat for the next side. Again, it'll move around a little bit on you. I should be able to get it and get it centered. Use your needle nose vice grip to clamp it in place. Pop your hole, put a pop rivet, and then do your last one as well. Make sure to take my rivet gun and get your rivet gun.